when I think about you talked a little bit about, the airports and at that time and how important it was for you. If I were, some of these things, because you're the author, you're the author, all these things must be kind of a natural state for you. Is there one of these? Yeah, no, I know. Is there one of these
Some
chapters
of
is
them
like,
are
oh no,
works
I
in
need to go remind
progress, Nate.
myself.
Yeah,
Is there one of these chapters that resonates a little bit more? I need to go and refresh almost my memory because it's not my natural state for you.
Yes. I'm doing my best to continually be my best all the time. Look, some of these things are natural. I burn myself out less than I used to.
Yeah.
Because I catch myself earlier and catch my breath, as I'm in the middle. This is, October, as I'm in the middle of a massive sprint for a couple of months with traveling all over the place, but I get to, travel and work with people I love, but still it's a lot. The one, like if I go back to my 360 that was done about a year ago, and one of our team members, Brett, did the 360. The one that I'm continually working on as a leader in the firm, and now that we have almost 20 people, my role continues to change, is stop being chief problem solver. And this, you've made comments to me a few times when I'm needing to be, asking questions versus answering things. I need to let other people do things and figure things out versus being, the center of everything. So for me, as a person who writes books and knows the answers on these things, being an expert on something is a very different mode than being an effective leader.
Right.
Being an expert mode, I'm not very, people, that's not great leadership. It's thought leadership, but it's not great people leadership.
Right.
So being chief problem solver, and I've got those two very different hats. And then the 360, that was the main thing that came out from, and Brett did a great job of sharing that feedback with me and give me some guidance around it. And so that is the one that I continue to work on, particularly inside the firm. And, my favorite phrase with most people these days, most often, is, well, what do you recommend? What do you think? And I'm practicing that again and again, because my job is to continue to build a great team of leaders and have them make decisions and not have the decisions get to me. So that's probably it is my biggest area for growth. And I'm on the journey, but I'm still working on it.